Hey guys, Jane here. In my last video, I talked about straight tone and vibrato, and now I want to go deeper into what vibrato is and how to make sure that you are doing them correctly, and also how to strengthen your vibrato. So what is vibrato? I want you to think of a rubber band, and I want you to stretch that rubber band, and I want you to pluck it. And depending on how hard you pluck it, you will see the intensity of the movement of the rubber band and also the sound that you will hear. So with vibrato, it is the same concept, but the intensity and speed occurs depending on how much air is being pushed out. So if you are familiar with an instrument, I want you to visualize the note C. C to C sharp. We're going to go half step up and then back down to C. C to C sharp, back down to C, back up to C sharp, and that is it. That's going to be the notes, the two notes that we are going to focus on. So let's say that this is C. I don't have my keyboard here with me, so hopefully that's a C. Let's use go up a half step, go down a half step to C. So sorry, my voice cracked. So that is how you practice your vibrato. Let's try it again. Everything is controlled, okay? I don't want you to think of this as a loose movement, but yet very controlled vocal cords. So and that whole time I am holding back my breath, and I know exactly how much air I want to push out per note. If you don't have enough air stored inside, you are not going to be able to use the vibrato and hold that note, trust me. So engage everything from your head to your toe, your posture, and your flexing, your abdominal muscle, how much air you are taking in before you flex. All of that is important. Be patient when your vocal cord is trying to just jump straight ahead into that's the goal, where you just want to be able to use vibrato right away. But if you are starting off, make sure you add the speed every single time. Make sure you go faster and faster and faster. So the goal is to find the balance between what is fast and what is too fast and what is too slow, and finding that middle ground. So the technique comes from flexing, breathing, your posture, and you can do all of that in my website, janemusicstudio.com. You can sign up for the 4-week vocal course, and also don't forget that you can sign up for a free vocal lesson. If you guys have any other questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow me on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, and make sure you turn on that bell notification, and I will see you guys next time.